If you're watching this, you've probably been through something I'm not going to minimize. And you have a house, and at some point you're going to have to figure out what to do with it. This is for when you're ready to start thinking about that, not to rush you, just to explain what the process actually looks like when you get there. The first thing I want you to know is that there's no timeline that you have to follow. Some people are ready to sell within a few months, some people take a year or two, and some people decide to stay. The right decision is the one that makes sense for your life, not for anyone else's schedule. What you need to know before you decide anything, before you make any decisions about the house, there are a few things that are worth understanding. First is the title. If you and your spouse own the home jointly, which is the most common form of ownership for married couples in Pennsylvania, the property transfers to you automatically upon their passing. You will need to record a death certificate with the county recorder of deeds to formalize the transfer of title into your name alone. Your real estate attorney or the title company can walk you through this process. It's not as complicated as it sounds. If there are other ownership structures involved, a trust, an estate, multiple parties, you need an attorney before you do anything else. Second is liens. Before you list the property, it's worth confirming that the title is clear and that there are no outstanding liens, no judgments, no claims that would need to be resolved before closing. A title company can run a preliminary title search. In most cases, everything is straightforward, but knowing the answer before you list eliminates surprises during the sale. The market right now, when you are thinking about value, the current market in Bucks and Montgomery County is working in your favor right now. There are 923 detached homes available across the entire region. That is a historically low number for a population of this size. What that means for you as a seller is that a correctly priced home in your community generates serious buyer interest very quickly. You're not going to struggle to sell your house if it's in good condition. When you are ready, the buyers are there. The process looks like this. When you decide you're ready, here's what the process looks like. We have a conversation. You tell me about the house. You tell me about your situation. I tell you honestly what it's worth and what the process looks like from listing it to closing. No pressure, no commitment, just a conversation so you have the information you need to make a decision that's right for you. After that, it's your call. If you want to move forward, I'm here. If you need more time, I'm still here. My name is Josh Wernick. I'm a realtor at Keller Williams Real Estate. I provide service to clients in Bucks County, Montgomery County, the Main Line, and Chestnut Hill areas if you want to have that conversation. Text me or call me at 267-934-5674. I'll answer. Visit my website if you're looking for more information on this process. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.